welcome to Home Decorating Ideas, your guide to transforming spaces into vibrant, lush retreats. Today, we're reaching new heights as we explore the enchanting world of rooftop terrace garden ideas. Let's begin our journey with the magic of container gardening. Rooftop terraces often have limited space, making containers an ideal solution. Imagine a variety of colorful pots and planters, strategically arranged to create a dynamic and visually stunning garden. From vibrant flowers to aromatic herbs, the possibilities are endless, bringing life to every corner of your elevated oasis. Now, let's talk about the power of vertical gardening. Vertical spaces on a rooftop terrace are valuable real estate for greenery. Consider installing vertical planters, trellises, or hanging gardens to maximize the use of your vertical canvas. This not only adds a lush, layered aesthetic but also provides privacy and shade. For those who crave a cozy retreat, imagine the allure of outdoor seating surrounded by greenery. Integrate comfortable furniture, plush cushions, and perhaps a pergola draped with climbing vines. This creates an intimate outdoor space where you can relax, unwind, and escape the hustle and bustle of the city below. Select plants, decor, and furniture that align with your chosen theme, creating a personalized escape that reflects your style. Now, let's talk about the charm of water features. Rooftop terraces can benefit from the soothing sound of water. Consider small fountains, cascading water walls, or even compact ponds to add an element of serenity to your elevated haven. The gentle sound of water creates a tranquil ambience, turning your terrace into a peaceful retreat. For those with a flair for sustainability, embrace eco-friendly practices in your rooftop garden. Install rainwater harvesting systems, choose native plants that thrive in your climate, and perhaps even incorporate solar-powered lighting. Not only will this contribute to a greener environment, but it will also make your rooftop terrace a sustainable oasis. As we explore these rooftop terrace garden ideas, keep in mind the importance of weather-resistant materials. Since rooftop gardens are exposed to the elements, choose furniture and decor that can withstand the sun, wind, and rain. Opt for materials like teak, metal, or weather-resistant wicker to ensure your outdoor space remains stylish and durable. So, whether you're captivated by the versatility of container gardening, the beauty of vertical spaces, the coziness of outdoor seating, the allure of themed gardens, the tranquility of water features, or the sustainability of eco-friendly practices, there's a rooftop terrace garden idea waiting to elevate your urban living experience. Don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe for more garden inspiration, and share your thoughts in the comments below. Please subscribe, like and share. Thank you.